Elastic collision. In here, these are the numbers given, and I have a system of two equations with two unknowns. So two equations, two unknowns, I can solve it, and I factor out half and cancel from both sides of equation to just simplify it to this one. Have a look at the solution and try to understand it. I of course have substituted these numbers and made simplified it, and this is the most simplified, and then from this top one I isolated the v2 prime in order to substitute it here, so I can have this equation, which is one equation with only one unknown. And now I have one unknown. Of course, I have to raise this to the power of 2. I do it here. I simplify it further until I will have this one, which is the second degree or quadratic equation, which I can solve it like this. And this, among these two answers, this is the one which is actually correct. This one is not correct because it's actually the V1 before collision. There is more explanation that why this is not correct, and you can read it here. Stop the video and read it here. And then, okay, now I have the V1 prime here. We substitute in here and we can find the V2 prime. So in order to test my answers, I can use these big formulas that you might remember. I mean, from the previous videos. This is the formula for V1 prime and this is the formula for V2 prime. And in the more general situation. And so you can see that you can design many problems and all answers will be round numbers as long as the V1 and V2 that you choose, this V1 and V2s that you choose, are divisible by the addition of M1 plus M2. And you can see why.